I just got a mole removed on my back right there. Time to open IPSY. Hello YouTube, what's going on? It's IPSY time, you know what it is. So my daughter recently realized that she is able to climb the stairs and come up into my filming area. So if there's anything weird going on while this is being filmed, I'm sorry, but my baby's up here. I checked what was in this like 2 weeks ago, so I don't even remember. So this is kind of a surprise to me, I guess. I feel like I've said that before, but like, yeah, usually I'll check on like the 5th is when they post your spoilers, and then I don't remember what it is until I open it again. So let's see what IPSY sent me this month. Something smells really good in here. So this bag is adorable. Cute with the little lace detail and the pink and the, oh my god. Okay, first we have, this is a mascara by Pure. It's the fully charged mascara powered by magnetic technology. What even does that mean? As you guys know, IPSY is sample sizes, so this obviously won't last me very long, but I've liked everything that Pure has ever sent me, so I'm sure I'm gonna like this too. Next in here we have a Makeup Forever Aqua Eye Pencil. It has red on the bottom. Is this like, this can't be red eyeliner, there's no way. It just says M10 Aqua XL Eye Pencil, so, oh, it's just black. So cool. Obviously another sample size, but I mean, this is, I feel like a pencil this big would still last you a good amount of time if you're not like really smudging if you're not smudging it on your face. A lot. Next we have, this is by Jersey Shore Cosmetics. It's the Apple Harvest Moisture Rich Hydrating Balm. Ingredients are coconut oil, sunflower oil, vitamin E, shea butter, cocoa butter, beeswax, and natural apple flavor. Ooh girl, you know I'm about to love this. I'm gonna go ahead and just open it and put it on my mouth right now. I'm wearing a little bit of lipstick from earlier for my mole removal. Cause you know, you gotta look good for when you're getting parts of your body chopped off. It feels very nice and moisturizing, and it tastes good. It does kind of taste like apples, although what is going on here? Do you see? I twisted it down so it'd go down so I could put the lid on, but like half of it stayed up. What the hell? I mean, that looks normal, but then you, what? What? Why? I don't know. I'm sure that's not gonna be an issue going forward, but like, okay. Next, this is a long-lasting liquid lipstick. It looks like an Ofra and IPSY collab because it says IPSY Unzipped on it. And this is actually, ooh, I'm gonna love this color. I already know I'm gonna love this color. It even has like a little like discount code on the side too. That's funny. I hope this doesn't let me down. You all know I've been let down by subscription lipsticks in the past few months, so please don't let me down, IPSY. And the last thing in here is a Blue Lotus Seed Mud Mask plus exfoliant. This is by Purelissy? I don't know. It says it gently resurfaces, detoxifies, brightens, tightens, smooth for all skin types, and it's a 10-minute facial, looks like. Blue Lotus Seed. I was thinking it'd be like a dark mud mask, but this looks like it's gonna be like light colored. Ooh, definitely the opposite of what I expected. Ooh, it's exfoliating. It doesn't really smell like much, but that's okay. I don't mind that. You want to sit up there? Yeah. Okay. Well, obviously I'm not going to try that out on camera. I'm just going to use that on my spare time, but I am excited to use it. Now, the 3 things we have to try out today are this lipstick, this mascara, and this eyeliner. Actually, I'm wearing mascara right now, so I don't think I'm going to try this, but let's open it and just like examine it. Ooh. I could just, maybe just a little, I don't know what this is doing. I don't know why I'm even bothering right now, honestly. I mean, I'm sure it works fine. I can tell that this is gonna be a formula that I really like. That's pretty much all I can say about it right now. I'm not wearing eyeliner though, so. I do like the formula of this. It also says it's waterproof, so obviously there's plenty of room for waterproof eyeliner in my life. I'm not sure if this is gonna last as long as it says it does, but I'm confident that it will. Now the real thing I'm really excited to try here is this lipstick by Ofra. I don't think I've ever tried an Ofra lipstick. This is a pretty color though, guys. Putting lipstick on in your camera viewfinder instead of with a mirror is pretty challenging. So I'm sorry that this application is not perfect. But yes, I do quite like this color. This is kind of refreshing because it's not the same like a red-orange color that they always send. It's just a nice change of pace. And I definitely can see myself wearing this. It kind of matches my hair. And I'm assuming you could only get this from IPSY, just this particular shade. And what I will say, and I don't know if the rest of Ofra's lipsticks are like this, but there's a really strong scent to it and I can't really describe it. Like it's kind of vanilla-y, but like not quite. I don't know, it's pretty strong though, and I find myself being more sensitive to scented makeup, like lipsticks and eyeshadows and stuff that smell like stuff. They're not my favorite, and I kind of wish they didn't smell like stuff. Like, I don't get the point, because I'm like, I'm just gonna put deodorant and perfume on and stuff. Like, why do my lips need to smell like vanilla? I mean, whatever. To each their own, but personally, I'm kind of over the whole, like, scented lipstick thing, but I'll still wear it. So that's everything that was in my IPSY bag this month. I'm thoroughly pleased with it. This is probably the second month in a row where IPSY hasn't been too terrible. I just feel like everything that IPSY has sent me this month and then last month too have been things that I'm gonna actually use. I'm happy with IPSY this month and I was happy with it last month, so maybe IPSY's stepping up their game a little bit. Subscribe to this channel if you like monthly unboxings, but I do a lot more too. We like to have fun here. And then I also have all my social medias linked down below and also some information on the end screen there too. So make sure you follow me on those platforms as well, and I will see you next week. Bye!